These are the elevators at the Maxfield Medical Building. Sarasota, Florida. Looks like they got modded. They did. Let's go at 3. I can't believe this. I just filmed this in September. These were Otis Series 1. Your inspection certificate in just a span of 8 months. And also, I don't know why this has such a wide floor indicator. Like, it can support 3 digits, even though it's only a 3-story building. It's not like it's a skyscraper with 100 floors. Let's try the other one. I'm gonna send this one up. We're gonna go 3. It's interesting how these both have their original chimes, but the buttons, the indicators, the call stations are new. And that'll be it.